Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're given a line which in the xy plane passes through the origin, so that's 0, 0, and has a slope m of 1/7. So which of the following points lies on the line? What we're going to do is we're going to find the equation of the line, and then we're going to use that and plug in all these points and see which of them make the equation true. So how are we going to do that? Well, if we use slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, we know that y is equal to the slope, which is 1/7, x plus b. b is the y-intercept. So normally we'd have to find the y-intercept by plugging in the point and solving for b. But the point we're given, 0, 0, is actually on the y-axis, so therefore it is the y-intercept. So we're looking for the y-intercept, so that's going to be 0. So since it's a little unclear here, but the y-intercept is the value of y when x is 0. So 0. You could have mistaken it for x when y is 0 and it wouldn't have made a difference here, but it's good to know that it's y when x is 0. 1/7 x plus 0 is 1/7 x. So this is going to be your equation of the line. And if a point is on the line, it's going to make the equation true. So plugging in for a, we have x is 0 and y is 7. So 7 equals 1/7 times 0. 7 equals 1/7 times 0 is 0. This is not true, so A is not your answer. B, y is 7 is equal to 1/7 x. X is 1. 7 is equal to 1/7 times 1 is 1/7. This is not true. B is not the answer. C, I can write it over here. We have y, which is 7, is equal to 1/7 x, which is 7. 7 is equal to 7 divided by 7 is 1 times 1 is 1. 7 is not equal to 1, so therefore the answer is not C. Therefore it has to be D, but we'll just plug it in anyways just to see what it looks like when the equation is true. We have y is 2 is equal to 1/7 times 14, which is x. So therefore 2 is equal to 14 divided by 7 is 2. So we have 1 times 2. 2 is equal to 1 times 2, since that's just 2. That is correct, and that is your answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.